Hello, in this video I will show you how to swap tokens on Phantom Wallet. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then open your Phantom Wallet. Now all you have to do is just simply choose this option, which is the swap option of Phantom Wallet. Then at the very top, just simply choose the crypto that you want to. Now then at the top, just simply choose the crypto that you want to swap up from. Like for example, if you have Solana and you want to swap it to, let's say for example, Jupiter. Just simply choose that, or maybe Bonk. Just simply choose any of the crypto that you want to swap. Then enter your desired amount that you would like to swap. And then after that, just simply click on review order. Then just simply click on swap. Now wait for a few seconds. And then it will take some time, and after that it is done. Click on close. And you will be able to see your swap and your new token right over here, as you can see. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing or liking the video.